Faulkner is the guy who said that it's every man's fondest wish to outlive his wife. So I know that he would despise this next song. It would make him turn over in his grave, which is just what I was hoping for. I hope he's listening, because his wife outlived him by 20 years, and he's buried next to her. Ring, ring, telephone ring. Somebody says, baby, what you doing? I've been wondering where you've been. Now and then I think about you and me. No use fighting about things we can't recall, 'cause it don't matter now at all. Just come on in, baby, we'll laugh and sing and we'll make love. Let the telephone ring. Ring, ring, doorbell ring. Come on in, I got Mel Blanc on the radio. I'm glad you came around. I've been feeling down, talking to Tony and Mario. You know they make good conversation, still it ain't no consolation, 'cause I got love. Baby, I'll give you some, and if somebody comes, let the doorbell ring. Ring, ring, voices ring with a happy tune. Anybody can be a singer. The sun comes up across the city. I swear you never looked so young and pretty.